Okay, so here again, same idea. These parentheses are really unnecessary. They're just trying to group the integrand together. The first step is going to be to integrate as you normally would. So do your whole, add 1 to the exponent, divide by the new exponent. So the 5u squared will become 5u to the third over 3. The minus u to the first will become u squared over 2. And then the plus 4 is a standalone constant. We add on to that and get a plus 4u. Now, we don't write the plus c. And the reason why we don't write the plus c is because we have these bounds from 0 to 4 that we need to incorporate. So we put a bracket and then the 0 to 4. All right, so that is step 1. Step 2, because we have those bounds, is we plug in our upper bound minus our lower bound. So we take our u's here that we have and first plug in the 4 upper bound. So that's going to give us 5, 4 to the third over 3 minus 4 squared over 2 plus 4 times 4. And then minus our lower bound plugged in. So 5 times 0 to the third over 3 minus 2 times 0 squared over 2 plus 4 times 0. And then this is where we do the arithmetic, and it is sometimes a little bit involved arithmetic. So I would take 4 times or 5 times 4 to the third and then divide that by 3. That gives us a crazy decimal. We do not want to write that crazy decimal down. They want an exact answer for most of these questions. So what we are going to do is we remember, and you're welcome to do this on a test, but you can hit the math number 1 fraction, and that will convert, if possible, the decimal back into fraction form. So I hit math and then frac number 1, and that gives me the 320 over 3. And then here I have 4 squared, so just 16 over 2 to get 8, and then a plus 16. And then all of these terms in the lower bound just happen to cross out because they're just zeros, and then we would simplify this. Now, to simplify this, I would first simplify the whole numbers to begin. So I would just keep that 320 over 3. Negative 8 plus 16 will give us a plus 8. And if you were doing this by hand, you would then take and get a common denominator. So you would multiply just the 8 by 3 over 3. And then that would give you this 320 over 3 plus 24 over 3. And then add the 320 plus the 24 to get 344 over 3. And that would be your final answer.